Now, after Congress slams up government for not to prosecute former JNU Student Union President Kanhaiya Kumar, Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal has now defended the move and said that the decision has already been made. Attacking the Congress and the AAP MLA Saurabh Bharadwaj, in fact, said that those who set up a minority candidate against Kanhaiya to ensure BJP's win are shedding crocodile tears now. Earlier, Congress MP P. Chidambaram lashed out at Delhi government and called them ill-informed about the sedition law. Meanwhile, CPI leader Kanhaiya Kumar took a jibe at AAP government and said thank you for the nod. Now ensure speedy trial as well. He also linked the move to Bihar elections now, which is just about round the corner. In the 2016 sedition case, along with Kanhaiya, Omar Khalid, Anirban Bhattacharya and 5 other JNU students will also face the judicial heat.
हम सबसे पहले स्वागत करते हैं और हमने नारेबाजी नहीं की है। अब ये कोर्ट से देश को पता चलेगा और पिछले 4 साल में जो ये प्रोपेगेंडा किया गया है, ये झूठ बोला गया है, उनका चेहरा बेनकाब होगा। हम इसका इंतजार कर रहे थे, इसीलिए हम कॉन्फिडेंटली ये मांग कर रहे हैं कि स्पीडी ट्रायल हो, फास्ट ट्रैक कोर्ट का गठन किया जाए और देश को पता चले कि कैसे अपनी राजनीति के लिए, लोगों के बुनियादी मुद्दों को गुमराह करने के लिए इस देशभक्ति जैसी भावना जो लोगों का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट इमोशन होता है, उस इमोशन के साथ खिलवाड़ किया गया है। ये देश को पता चलना चाहिए। हमने नारेबाजी नहीं की है, ये क्लियर है।
ये बार-बार सवाल उठा ना कि कौन कर रहा है।
नहीं, अब चार्जशीट आएगा ना पब्लिक के सामने, अब तो पता चलेगा ना देश को कि क्या चार्ज है मेरे ऊपर।
कन्हैया की फाइल को लेकर सवाल
कल निर्णय हो गया।
सवाल खड़े कर रही है
पंकज भाई,
कन्हैया की फाइल को लेकर सवाल
कल निर्णय हो गया।
सवाल खड़े कर रही है
पंकज भाई।
The government of Delhi, as a matter of principle and as a matter of policy, has not stopped or withheld any prosecution sanction in the last 5 years. I repeat that even in the cases of the Aam Aadmi Party MLAs and leaders of the Aam Aadmi Party, all cases have been tried by courts. Government's intervention has been zero in any of these matters. It is for the courts to finally opine and adjudicate these matters. It is not the job of the government.
देखिए, कानून अपना काम करेगा। ये बात सही है कि जिस तरह की चीज़ें दिखाई पड़ी वो देश के हित में कतई नहीं कही जा सकती, बल्कि राष्ट्र के विरोध में थी। और ऐसे लोग जो लोग कि राष्ट्र के विरोध में इस तरह की षड्यंत्र और साजिशें और इस तरह की भाषा और इस तरह की बातें करते हैं, उनको जो है वो कुछ बड़े और ग्रैंड ओल्ड पार्टी के नेताओं का समर्थन भी दिखाई पड़ता है। इसलिए कानून अपना काम करेगा।
Mr. Kanhaiya Kumar and his whole gang is now has to be tried, and that is good because this should be an eye-opening to the others also, that if you want to raise slogans against the country or if any anti-national activity is going on, the country is not going to keep silent.
Let's quickly go over to Satyajit on the phone line with us. Satyajit, do tell us here, Aam Aadmi Party there intensifying its stance, saying they will not move back. Now the case is in court. It's for the court now to decide.
Of course, Kanhaiya Kumar was here. He spoke to us, and he said it hardly matters whether AAP is intensifying the matter or the Delhi police, which is under the jurisdiction of BJP, is making the move with political motivation. It hardly makes any difference. Now he will be proved innocent by the court. He welcomed the move of Delhi government to sanction and approval for his prosecution on sedition charges. Now he says that he will be proved innocent by the court. Rather, a fast track court should be constituted so that the matter is disposed of in a real time and in a quick time. So when the outcome will come, people will get to know that Kanhaiya did not raise the anti-national slogans. He emphasized that he kept on saying that he did not raise slogans.
Right. Right. Thank you very much for joining us with those details here. We're looking at Kanhaiya Kumar looking forward to a speedy trial, while on the other hand, Aam Aadmi Party says they will not step back.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.